Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through and here's a guide on how to find Google Analytics GA4 tracking code. So here's a simple workaround and now you can easily do that. So the first thing to do is to log into your Google Analytics. So go to your Google Analytics and sign into your account. So if you don't know the official website, just open your browser and type in analytics.google.com, then sign in using your Google account. And after that, you have to select your GA4 property. Then in the account list, choose the GA4 property you want to get the code for. Then after that, open the admin settings. Then in the lower left corner, click the admin, which is the gear icon. Then after that, you have to go to the data stream. So under the property column, click data stream. Then select your web data stream. So if you have multiple websites, just the one you need, and a panel will open with its details. Then after that, find your mailment ID, which is your GA4 tracking code. So in the top right of the stream details, you will see something like a mail ID, which is like G, then it involves different type of numbers, and that's your ID. Then that is your GA4 tracking code, and that's it. Hope you found the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.